Does your vehicle feel like it's not performing as well as it used to? Hi guys, Andrew here from Accelerate and Auto Electrics on the Sunshine Coast. Today we're going to run you through how we perform a BG clean on an engine. Before we get started, I'll quickly explain what a BG engine clean is and why we recommend getting it done. In a nutshell, a BG engine clean safely and effectively removes carbon deposits from engine components. Over time, the vehicle engine accumulates gums and varnishes caused by oil and outside debris. A BG engine clean restores power and performance to your engine by removing these accumulated carbon deposits that form in the piston ring belt, hydraulic lifters, injectors, and the rest of the engine parts. So how do you know if your vehicle needs a BG engine clean? There are a few signs that indicate that your car's engine could be in need of a clean. Your vehicle could be hard to start, the engine feels like it's lacking power, maybe it's blowing a bit of smoke, or an engine light could be lit on the dash for an EGR code. Now we're going to take you through the actual process of how we carry out the BG engine. Further questions about BG engine clean or improving your vehicle's performance or economy, give us a call on 1300 227 353 or email us at info@amae.net.au, or you could even comment below.